It's early Friday and I'm back with some more fab. I'm about to work on the K swap car, the all-wheel drive build real quick. And I thought I'd stop and show you, how to get a piece of straight into a nice smooth radius pie. Some people do this for cosmetics. I've done it for both cosmetic and, functional purposes. I like to do them when I have to because it is a lot of work to do pie cuts and have it come out nice. On this particular car, it's using a center feed intake manifold, which points the throttle body down, and it's very close to the intercooler inlet or outlet. So to make the sweep, you can't really buy a 3.5 inch 90 in a tight enough radius for one, and two, the 90 has to twist. Since the motor sits at an angle, it's not a perfect 90 straight up and down. You can see how it twists and will meet the intercooler. So basically, to get this, it's not difficult. There's a formula to do it, and you just get the measurement and the tightness of the bend you want by following that formula. I cut mine down to a certain angle every time, no matter if it's stainless or aluminum. I always use the same angle. That way it's easy for me to repeat, and it's easy for me to gauge what I want to do and get the bend I want. You can make these tighter by cutting down or narrowing the inside gap, which would take this, instead of being, at that radius, it would come down to a slightly tighter radius. But the tighter you make these, the closer the welds have to get, and I don't really like the way it looks. So I try to make this a smooth radius in and out. And what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and almost scuff this up. I don't want the shine on the pipe because it is in a tight spot, and whether he has to work on the car and get it on and off, it'll just scratch it up. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and scuff it now to give it a duller look before I start to weld on it. Alright, I got this scuffed up and ready to weld. What I did, I just hit it with a 3M pad and wiped it back down. Personally, I like the scuffed up look a little better than the shiny. But I'll go ahead and get this position to weld, and the key to making pie cuts look nice is actually just to be consistent with it, like anything else. I try to make every start and stop vertically the same so it looks consistent as it goes around. And this won't even be seen when it's on the car, but I know it's going to be there, so I want to make it try to look nice. Alright, I got that all welded up, so that basically shows you the radius and how to get, a straight into a twisted 3.5 inch bend and still have it smooth and pretty consistent. This is still hot, so I get over there to the bead roller, go ahead and roll each end, and I'll walk out there to the car and show you how it fits on the car. Now, since it's such a short sweep, what I did was I took a Vibrant 3.5 inch 90 coupler, which has like 6-inch long legs, and I cut each side down through the vertical bandsaw to make it a tight radius, and that way I can get it all to fit together pretty easily and turn up to the throttle body. And also, when you do this, you want to make sure there's a gap right there, because if you butt the pipe straight to the throttle body, you'll never be able to get it on and off. So leave a little gap so you can actually have wiggle room for the pipe to be installed and uninstalled, and not be a total pain. But yeah, that's basically it for that part. So I've got the hot side done, or the hot side's been done. Got the cold side done now. And next up is the up pipes. So again, thanks for checking out the video. If there's something you want to see, let me know. I'll try to get it posted up. If you want to see more details on fab stuff, let me know. I'll cover a little bit more on this car once I finish up the up pipes. I'm waiting on a flange right now. We ordered one from our supplier. Got the order in. They shorted us the flange, and then 2 days later this week, they are permanently closed. So I had to order another flange yesterday from Summit because apparently that one is just missing. So hopefully it shows up Monday, and I can get the 2 up pipes finished up, fit, and final welds on those, and have this one ready to go back to the owner. So again, thanks. If you like it, like it. If you want to share it, and I appreciate it.